Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on subtraction with trading. This video will look at subtraction with trading. We will start off by using base 10 materials. Example 1, 32 take away 15. There's 32, 3 tens and 2 ones. 15 is 1 10 and 5 ones. With subtraction, we always start with the ones column. 2 take away 5 we cannot do, so we give up this 10 and we bring in 10 ones. That's the trading. So this is what we've done here. These are the 2 tens that are left, which is these two here, so we didn't give those up, but we gave this one up and we picked up these 10 ones. See, that's the perfect example of trading. So this is still 32, but instead of having a column of 10 here, we've got 10 ones. Now we can do our subtraction. Altogether here we've got 12 ones. Take away 5, so 12 take away 5 gives you 7. See here? 7 ones, that's what's left. 2 tens take away 1 10 gives us 1 10 left. So we've got 1 10 and 7 ones. There's our 17. Example 2, 21 take away 13. There's 21 take away 13. 1 take away 3 we can't do, so we give away this group of 10 here and we inherit 10 ones. That's the trading. So there are the 10 ones there. So we still have 21 here, and this hasn't changed, that's still 13. Now we have 11 ones. See that? 11 ones. So 11 take away 3, that gives us 8 ones. There they are. 1 take away 1 gives us 0, that is, there are no 10s. So 8 ones, and the answer is 8. Looking at algorithms, 52 take away 24. 2 take away 4 we can't do, so we give away one of these 10s, so that becomes 4. That reduces to 4 tens. That gives us one group of 10 here, which is really 10 ones. So that represents 10 ones plus another 2 ones. There's our 12 ones. So whenever you see this situation here, this means 12 ones. 12 take away 4 is 8. 4 take away 2 is 2, so the answer is 28. 73 take away 24. 3 take away 4 we can't do. So we take off one of the 10s. We're left with 6. Now we have 10 ones here. So that's 13 ones take away 4 is 9. 6 take away 2 is 4. Answer is 49. 4 take away 9 we can't do. So we give away one of the 10s. We've got 5 left. Here are the 10 ones plus 4, that's 14 ones. 14 take away 9 is 5. 5 take away 2 is 3. Example 6. 1 take away 7 we can't do, so we give away one of the 10s. We've got 7 left. There's 10 ones plus 1, there's our 11 ones. 11 take away 7 is 4. 7 take away 2 is 5, so the answer is 54. 785 minus 296. 5 take away 6 we can't do, so we give up one of the 10s. We've got 7 of them left. That gives us 15 ones. 15 take away 6 is 9. 7 take away 9 we can't do, so we give up one of the hundreds. So we've got 6 left. So that here is 100 or 10 tens. Now we've got 17 tens. 17 take away 9 is 8. 6 take away 2 is 4, so it's 489. 694 minus 398. 4 minus 8 we can't do. Cross off one of the 10s. We've got 8 left. That gives us 14 tens minus, 14 singles. 14 units. That's the units column, so it's 14 units. Minus 8 units gives you 6 units. 8 take away 9 we can't do. So we cross off these 600s, we cross off one of them. So we've only got 5 left. Now the 100 goes to here. That gives us 18. See here? 18 tens. So that's 100 there, plus, which is 10 tens. That's 10 tens, so that gives you 100. There's 8 tens, so that's 18 tens. Take away 9 tens gives you 9 tens. 5 take away 3 gives you 2. So that's 500. Take away 300 gives you 200, so it's 296. Example 9. 4 take away 9 we can't do, so we trade one of the tens. We've got 4 left. Now we've got 14 ones, take away 9 gives us 5. 4 take away 6 we can't do. So we trade here, so we're down to 7 hundreds. So that 100 goes to there, so you've got 14 tens. 14 take away 6 is 8. 7 take away 8 we can't do, so we cross off one of those thousands and we're left with 5 of them left. That's gone to there. Okay, so now we've got 17 hundreds and we take away 8 hundreds, that gives us 9 hundreds. 5 take away 1 equals 4, there's our answer. And the last one, 2 take away 9 we can't do. Cross off the 3, make that a 2. 12 take away 9 is 3. 2 take away 3 we can't do. 2 take away 8, sorry. 2 take away 8 we cannot do. Cross off the 4 and make it a 3. There's the 1. So 12 tens minus 8 tens gives us 4 tens. 3 take away 6 we can't do. Cross off the 7 and make it a 6. There's the 1. 13 hundreds minus 6 hundreds gives you 7 hundreds. And 6 take away 3 is 3. So remember, this is the units column, the tens, the hundreds, and the thousands. So you take your time, and that's how you do subtraction with trading.